Hello friends, in this video we learn how to convert a decimal number into a binary number. So guys, don't forget to leave your feedback after the video and subscribe Happy Learning for more videos. Let's get started. So we have number 8259 which is a decimal number and we need to find its binary equivalent. So what we'll do is we'll divide 8259 by 2 and we'll save the quotient here, and every time we'll save the remainder. So on dividing 8259 with 2, we'll have quotient 4129 and remainder will be 1. Then we'll divide 4129 with 2 and we'll get quotient as 2064 and the remainder will be 1. Then again we'll divide 2064 with 2 and quotient will be 1032 and remainder will be 0. Then we'll divide 1032 with 2 and quotient will be 516. We'll repeat this process until we are left with 1 as dividend. So 2 multiplied by 258, we have 516, therefore the remainder is 0. Again 2, 129 is the quotient and we'll get remainder 0. Then on dividing 129 with 2, we get quotient as 64 and remainder 1. Then for 64, we have quotient 32 and remainder 0. For 32, we have quotient 16 and remainder is 0. For 16, again quotient is 8 and remainder is 0. For 8, quotient will be 4 and remainder is 0. For 4, quotient will be 2 and remainder 0. And for 2, we have quotient 1 and remainder 0. So now we take the remainders in bottom up fashion. So binary equivalent of 8259 is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times zeros. Then 1, 4 times zeros, then 1 and 1. So this is the binary equivalent of 8259. Now let's see if you can find out the binary equivalent of decimal number 2087. Write down your answers in the comment section below. So guys, that's how we convert decimal number into binary number. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.